May masamang balak umano ang China sa Scarborough Shoal, kaya dapat tutukan ang lugar ng mga puwersa ng Pilipinas. Nagsimula sa maliit na estruktura, nasundan ng dredging activities, at kinalaunan ay naging isla na. Yan ang ginawa ng China sa Mischief Reef. Babala ni Sealight Director Ray Powell, posibleng mangyari ulit ito sa Scarborough Shoal.
There's a reason everybody is talking about it. And that's, I think, why you're not seeing, fishing shelters on stilts there this time. One, because China knows that everybody knows their playbook. And two, because they're so easy to see and keep track of. So, that's why I think they're just having to move more slowly this time with these sort of, micro gray zone moves to try to, again, set the stage so that later on, maybe if they want to take the next step and put something more permanent there, they can just say, hey, don't worry your pretty little heads about it.
Naghain na ng diplomatic protest ang Pilipinas matapos makita ang floating structure ng China sa Scarborough Shoal. Giit ni Powell, kailangang ipagpatuloy lang ng Pilipinas ang pagkontra sa China.
I think no country, certainly no country in the Southeast Asia who has done more to stand up for its rights than the Philippines. And honestly, I am in great admiration of what the Philippines has done over the last few years to really take a stand. And so, of course, the other things you see now the Philippines do is draw nearer to other countries who are like-minded. And that includes Japan, and it even includes Taiwan, even though nobody would like to say so.
Paglilinaw ng Malacanang, updated si PBBM at handang tumugon sa mga nangyayari sa Scarborough Shoal.
Masasabi po na lamang natin ay alam po ng Pangulo ang nangyayari at nanatili pong malinaw ang kanyang paninindigan na unahin ang paggamit ng diplomatiko at legal na hakbang sa pagharap ng ganitong klaseng sitwasyon.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.